Welcome back, physics fans, and here we go with question number 32 on the projectile sheet for the Physics 12s. Okay, a projectile is launched at a maximum height, and its maximum height is twice its range. So the range, we know, is v squared over g times the sine of 2 theta. Now we have to find out how high it goes. How high it goes. Well, if it's launched at an angle, how high it goes is totally determined by this v sine theta, because that's its initial vertical speed. And if the initial vertical speed is v sine theta, how high does it go? Okay, so there's a few ways to do that. We can use v squared equals vi squared plus 2ad and get the height from there, given that's the initial speed, and when it's at its top, this is 0. So 0 is equal to vi squared, so that's v sine theta squared plus 2ad. Okay, so the height that it goes is going to be v squared sine squared all over 2g. So that is how high it goes. And by the way, if you're really hateful of projectiles, that might be something that you put on your formula sheet, because that's just a quick calculation on how high your projectile goes. And we want that number to be twice this number. So we need this to be times 2, and that has to equal v squared over g sine of 2 theta. Okay, but remember the sine of 2 theta was 2 times the sine of theta times the cosine of theta. That's how we developed it. So v squared and g cancels out. It didn't matter. The 2 here cancels out with the 2 here. So we get sine squared theta is equal to 2 times sine cosine. So if I cancel out a sine from both sides, this will only be sine. So the sine of theta has to equal 2 times the cosine of theta. Divide both sides by cosine. And I get sine over cosine is equal to 2. That's the tangent of theta is equal to 2. Inverse tan of 2, 63.43. Very good. Okay, so I just want you to understand that that is definitely a bonus level question. I would not expect very many Physics 12 students to be able to do that unless they have a good math love. Gotta love that. I like it very much. Okay, and I have seen that on the on a bonus.